The beauty of Excel is that you can use thousands of mini calculators that are all linked together to end up doing big advanced calculations for you. Basic mathematics is the backbone of Excel, and it's important to learn the mathematical operators used in Excel so that you can create powerful formulas.
So in Excel, there's slightly different symbols used for math. You can see that to add or subtract numbers, you'll use the same symbol. However, when you want to divide something, you're going to use a slash instead of the divide symbol. And if you're going to multiply something, you're going to use the asterisk. You're also going to use this symbol if you're going to put something to the power of something. So if you're going to put something, make something squared or make something to the power of 3, for example, and brackets are going to be the same. So a simple example would be if you had a 10 and a 5, you could multiply these together by typing in the equation equals A1 times B1. And you could enter that like this, equals A1 asterisk B1, and we'll get 50. Excel follows the order of operations that we learned back in high school, which are called PEMDAS or BOMDAS, however you would have called it. And it just means that it will do multiplication before it does addition and subtraction and that sort of thing. So a simple example of this would be if we had 10 plus 5 times 10, it's going to do the multiplication first. So it should give us 60. And that's important to know when you get to more complex formulas. And for operations that are on the same level, so if you're using addition and subtraction, for example, Excel is just going to work from left to right.